Good morning. Just want to let everybody know we've got some new stop signs over by the Oasis. Since we're starting on hole 2 now, and a lot of traffic back and forth on Via de Visari, and then also going down the new power line access to the range, we're asking all the cars to please be aware that there are 2 new stop signs on either side of the Oasis in the crossing here. So make sure you stop, look for carts, be careful, and thank you. So right now, they're in the process of digging up the 10-inch mainline irrigation pipe that they're going to have to move. Also, you'll see guys up on the roof, and they're actually splitting the whole building right in half in order to demo that piece off. It's been a lot of noise. It's been a lot of fun so far. We're really waiting for them to start tearing up the building, which hopefully will be in the next day or so.